Hello YouTube, so here's an update to my firewall downstairs in my wire management projects. So, I'll be opening the door using magic. Bam. Alright, not really magic, but whatever. Here's the inside look of my panels now. Well, not panels, but wall. As you can see, all my Berg panels are now on the side, and we removed basically our plug-in transformers, and I'll show that on the other side. Here's how the wall looks like now. All the cables are organized. Now shutting this door. Also note the mag lock. I'll do something in a different video. Shutting this and opening this side. It's basically how it was before, except organized. But here are the transformers that are being used to power up my Berg panels. Here's some general purpose power supplies for other stuff. In the back of my modules and my annunciator, nothing special. Here's the wall currently. That's my Bluetooth reader. Panel that I'll be using for something else. And that's basically about it. But there will be another video about my maglock system holding the doors in place. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and goodbye.